Hi, I'm Julie Szucs, one of the faculty directors and professors of integrating Spanish and health in Costa Rica. Do you want to build and practice your Spanish language skills? Are you interested in global healthcare issues? If so, we invite you to spend your winter term in sunny and warm Costa Rica next January. In this program, you'll experience the Pura Vida lifestyle while focusing on medical Spanish and conversation. In Atenas, Costa Rica, you'll learn about the Costa Rican healthcare system and visit care facilities in the local community. We'll also visit the Nicoya Peninsula, which not only is home to some of the country's most beautiful beaches, but has also been identified by National Geographic researchers as one of the world's 5 blue zones, an area whose residents live the longest and healthiest lives on the planet. We'll talk with community members and learn about their diet and other keys to longevity. If your interests include healthcare, healthy lifestyles, and cultural immersion, this is the program for you. We hope you'll join us.